Hi, today we're going to do opinion writing, lesson 3. Today we're going to use our plan to write our paragraph. So remember, an opinion is something that you feel or think. We chose an activity that we like. We wrote our opinion in the middle of the hand. So my opinion is, I think gardening is really enjoyable. Then, on the fingers, we wrote the reasons for our opinion. So my reasons were that I like being outside, I like to watch the plants grow into flower, I like to garden because it gives me time to think, and it's a nice and quiet activity, and I really enjoy planning what flowers I'm going to purchase and put in my garden. So you need to take your plan out, and today we're going to decide what reasons we're going to use for our opinion, and we're going to write our paragraph. So you're going to pick 3 reasons, the most important reasons that support your opinion. So, for me, one of the most important things, and the reasons why I enjoy gardening so much, is being able to spend time outside. So, I'm going to put a little star next to being outside, because it's one of the reasons I like gardening so much. Watching plants grow is also a lot of fun for me. I like to be able to take care of the flowers and to see what they're going to turn into. So I'm going to star this one as well. Having time to think is one thing I enjoy about gardening, but it's not one of the most important things about it. Same with peace and quiet. While I enjoy the quiet time, it's really not the main reason I like gardening. But I really enjoy planning the garden and buying the plants that I will be putting in the gardens. So I'm going to star this reason as my last reason. So the reasons I've chosen are being outside, watching the plants grow, and then planning my garden. Go ahead and choose 3 reasons, the 3 most important reasons that support your opinion that's on the palm of your hand. Then, we're going to move on to the next parts. So now, I'm going to use the plan and the reasons that I've chosen to write my paragraph. You need a blank piece of paper. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the opinion that's on the palm of your hand and we're going to put it on our piece of paper. But when we write on our piece of paper, we want to make sure that we're leaving space in the first line. This is called indenting. So instead of writing right up against the red line, I'm going to skip some space and I'm going to start my sentence a little bit inside. So I'm going to start my sentence about here. I'm going to copy my opinion. I think gardening is enjoyable. So here is my opinion. Now, I'm going to use the word because and finish the sentence using my first reason. So I think gardening is enjoyable because you get to spend time outside. in the fresh air. And then I'm going to finish my sentence with a period. So, the beginning of my paragraph, I used my opinion. I'm going to label it as an O. And then I started my reasons. I used the word because to connect my reason with my opinion. So I think gardening is enjoyable because you get to spend time outside in the fresh air. Now, I'm going to write another sentence using my next reason. So my next reason is watching plants grow. So I'm going to put this in a sentence. I'm going to say, you also get to take care of the plants and watch them grow into beautiful flowers. So in my second reason, I use the word also to signal to my reader that this is another reason why I think gardening is enjoyable. Then I'm going to write one more sentence using my last reason. So I'm going to finish up with my last reason. You can have lots of fun choosing new and interesting plants to fill your gardens. So now I have my 3 reasons that are all in the middle of my paragraph. So these are all of my reasons. Now I'm going to finish off my paragraph by restating my opinion. So my opinion was I think gardening is enjoyable. So I'm going to restate this in a different way. So I'm going to write gardening is so much fun. And now I've finished my paragraph. You are going to go ahead and work on your paragraph. Use the reasons that you've marked on your plan and start by writing your opinion. Then you write your 3 reasons. And don't finish off your paragraph just yet because we're going to take a look at some different ways to end it in our next video. So mainly, write your opinion and your 3 reasons. Then move on to the next video.